Chicken thighs are a great buy these days, and you would like to prepare them using a great recipe for everyone to enjoy. Well, here at Asai Guide Cooks, we have a great recipe with Huli Huli Chicken. So let's get started. Let's prepare the marinade. Time for the chicken thighs. While the chicken thighs are marinating, let's make the pineapple salad. This is a good time to preheat the oven. Set your timer for 45 minutes. As always, ovens do vary. Huli Huli Chicken was created on the island of Hawaii, and this occurred in 1955. Ernest Morgado and Mike Osaki barbecued chicken using a sauce based on Morgado's mother's recipe. Today, the dish remains a staple in Hawaii, found in restaurants, roadside stands, and fundraisers. Let's prepare the Huli Huli sauce. Let's cook the rice. Looks great right out of the oven. Thank you for liking, commenting, and subscribing. This is what we've been waiting for. Let's have a bite. While the chicken thighs have a blend of sweet and savory, the marinade and sauce provides a rich caramelized glaze and bright tangy zest to the chicken. The side dishes are the perfect choice. Leave a comment and or question below. The complete recipe can be found in the description box below the video. So head to the kitchen. It's your turn. You got this. That's the perfect meal everybody can enjoy. Stay with us. Watch the next video.